Hello, Miss Holly. I got your question about F3, section F3.2, and applied on Plato's website, questions 11 and 13. Now, I guess number 11 here says finding 70% of 30 equals what number? And then question 13 is 80% of what number is 128. These two problems are really very similar. There's a lot of different ways you might work these two problems. I'm going to offer one suggestion or one way to work these two problems. What you have here is you have three items. You have a percent of a number equals a number. And so when on these problems you got three items. You got a percent and then you have two numbers. They're going to give you two of those three items and ask you to find the third one. In the first problem they give you a percent and the number here and ask you for this number. The second problem they again give you a percent, but they ask for this number and they give you that number. Okay. And so let's work these two problems. Let me show you. So we have 70% of 30 equals, and then the what number, the unknown, generally in algebra we call it x. So they're going to give you two items, and the third one you'll just call x. And so 70%, what we want to do is convert that to decimal, and so that'd be 0.70. Of means you don't multiply. 70% times 30 equals x. And so 70% times 30 is 21. So that answer to the first question is 21. Now if we look at the second question, it's a little bit different arrangement, but we can still use this formula here. We're given the percent. It's 80% of the number. Of what number? That's the unknown this time, and so I'll say of x. And then this equals 128. Okay, so I convert this to decimal. That'd be 0.80. Then of means times. X is 128. And so we want to solve this equation. We need to get rid of this 0.8, so you divide each side by 0.80. And so you divide the right side by 0.80, or just 0.8 would be okay. And so let's see, 128 over 0.8 is 160. Okay, the 0.8's divide out, leaving you just x. So I see these two problems as very similar using this formula. You just always have a percent and two numbers. Whatever the unknown is, you call it x, and then put in the other value and solve for the unknown. I hope this helps. Bye.